We have discussed just now working with slide master and creating a new custom layout. Okay, we have discussed the verbally. Now you can see the what if you are working on a PowerPoint, then how you can use working with slide master and creating a new custom layout. Okay, so first of all we have to open a MS PowerPoint. What is the way to open a MS PowerPoint? You have to click here on start button, then all programs. After that you have to click on a Microsoft Office, then your MS PowerPoint. This is your PowerPoint. You have to open MS PowerPoint has been open here. You can see working with slide master. First we have we have to click on a view tab. We have to click. After that second option is given to you. Click on a slide master option. This is your slide master option. Click on a slide master option. You can see the many slides has been open here. These are the slides. You can see, you can choose any. Click on a insert slide master option in the master views group. If you want to, you can choose any of this. Okay, after that suppose we are choosing this one, then where you have to after that click on a insert tab. You have to click on insert tab. You can see this is your insert tab. Then click on the text box option in the text group. This is your text box option. You have to click here. Okay, in the text group. This is your text box option. After that you have to click on a text group. We have clicked. After that what you have to do, click and drag a text box and type the copyright to GHKV. Okay, you have to type and copyright GHKV. After that then what you have to do, the text entered on the slide master appears on a every slide. Okay, if you want to write here, you can write copyright to GHKV. Write here any text. If suppose that you are writing any text here, you can click on GHKV. After that click on the slide master tab. Then where you have to click, you have to click on a slide master tab, means this one. This is your slide master. Click here, click on a slide master tab. Then where you have to click on a close master view. This is the way you can use the slide master. I am repeating again. First what you have to do, you have to click on a view button. After that slide master, then you can choose any of the slide from here. Whatever slide you want to choose, you can choose any of the slide which you want to choose. After that click on a insert tab, then select a text box. After that select GHKV to show all the text which you have written can show you in all the slides. After that click on a slide master. Then after clicking slide master, click on the close master view. You can see your close this master view has been closed. Now what is our second topic? Our second topic is creating a new custom layout. If you want to create a new custom layout, first where you have to click on a view tab. After that click on the slide master option. This is your slide master option. Then click on the insert placeholder has been open here. You can choose here. Select the type of data that you want to add. The pointer will change. Okay, text, picture, the pointer has been changed. You can see I have selected a text, the pointer has been changed. After that chart, the pointer has been changed. If you selecting a text, you can select. Then what you have to do, click on a insert layout. I have clicked insert layout option. Then what you have to do, click and drag the slide master to create a placeholder text. Click and drag the slide master. This is the way you can click and drag the slide master option to create a text. Okay, this is the way you can use creating a new custom layout. After that what you have to do, content, text, picture, chart, table, smart art, media and clip art. Content, to create a place for holding all types of data and list. This is your content. Whatever you are writing, this is your content. Okay, this is your content, whatever you are writing. After that text, to create a simple text box. This is your simple text box. You can write anything. Okay, you can write anything from here. After that, picture, to create a place for inserting a picture, you can also create a place for inserting any picture. Then your table, smart art, media and clip art. Same, media, to create a place for inserting a audio or video files. Today we have discussed only two topics of class 5th. What you have to practice it if you have system in your home, or and you have to read this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.